It's track time. Oh, such a rocky driveway. It's like so empty, so there's like nobody here. Now I gotta find where Adam is parked at, so I can fit next to him. He's probably gonna be on the backside like always. Oh, I see him. I see him. He's right there. Look, more BMWs. Hola, tío. Hola. It does, but I never use it.
Are you ready? This is the last day. Is it gonna blow up, Alberto? What do you think?
I'm ready to not drift.
I know. I'm sad about
I didn't
that.
get it too.
It's okay though.
Yeah, I'll just wait for the next event. It's fine. But I brought some food and stuff, so I'll just film.
I want to hear, Mr. Alberto. Do you think the SR will blow up because it's its last event, or do you think it'll last?
It'll last.
It'll last.
Well, it's all up to you. If you want to, it's like what? I just kill him first, but that's on you. I don't think it'll blow up.
I like your sweater. Is that new?
Yeah.
It looks fancy.
I look more handsome-ish. Hey Adam, look at this. Look at this. I worked for Donut Media now.
So starting with the pits. Pits operate in clockwise direction. What that means is when you come out of the oval, you will turn left. You will only turn left, and you'll come around this way to get back in line for the oval. Entrance to the skid pad is on that side. You'll exit over here. When you exit, you'll come down this back row this way to get back in line. No burnouts in the pits.
5 miles an hour.
5 miles an hour-ish. Don't do dumb. General rules. If you're not an A-class driver, you're not allowed to take a passenger. Period. If you're an A-class uncaged tandem allowed driver, you're not allowed to take a passenger because you don't have a cage. That doesn't mean that a B-class car with a cage can take a passenger either. You have to be A-class with a cage to take a passenger. So skid pad layout. You'll come in, you'll turn immediate left and run along the wall. Right-hand sweeper, deep kickback. You'll loop back around this side, back into the run-up lane, and exit on this end. When you're initiating for the oval, please initiate before the end of the K-rail. On the K, yeah, skid pad.
See, when you quit your job, all that stress is relieved.
Engine not blowing up yet.
Spoke too soon.
Oh my god, I think the mouse sensor just did something. That's not a broken engine, that's like electrical.
Nothing you broken. He's dead.
No, I think the mouse sensor did something. Like all the black puff of smoke. Did I jinx it by saying that earlier? Are you serious? Oh, wait, there it is. Not broken, yes. Now we have Nicole. I want to see what she can do. She told me she linked that course earlier.
More than that. It's like 100 feet for 3 cars.
Because because we own this.
What about an actual pit? Like,
Well, you get to pit somewhere else.
no, move your stuff. Come on.
What?
Yeah, when I got here, I
this?
just wiggled my way.
Look at this
between
guy.
the
Who's is
multiple-
this?
He gets
There's
here.
seriously like 5
He
cars.
gets here late.
Fit 5 cars here.
Doesn't he get here late and then complain about it?
Fit 5 cars here. What is this?
I don't
Look at
know.
this. You can fit my Miata in here.
Where's your Miata?
It's sold. But regardless,
Oh yeah, that's right.
regardless, whose stuff is that? That looks like this guy. with the
That's
black
a black
350Z.
350C's car. Thing.
Yeah. Jesus.
You're late.
I hate all of you.
Why weren't you here at 10? It's like noon already. Alright guys, I'm pitting here. Adam's there, Nicole was there, and there was a 350C here, and Matt was here, and then comes Marco and just parks across the whole thing, and it's gonna take everybody's spot. Let's see how it's gonna work then. Meanwhile, I'm over here working with the launch control features of my ECU since I can't run. I might also have some fun with the car. So I have the hard cut limiter or launch control, which is like a 2-step, set up at 3600 RPMs. I put it with the clutch switch. That way right now, if I rev it, it won't do anything. But as soon as I press the clutch in, then it's a different story.
Ow, my ear!
Is it that loud? Got the first car like stuck in the grass all the way over there, and I'm waiting for him to tow him out of there. Check this out, my helmet camouflages with my roof. Yeah, this is real carbon fiber, this is just vinyl carbon fiber. Kelsey doesn't like how the way my car sounds.
I went back in the car, we got big burst. It's the first time we get passenger in my car. How crazy is that? First time.
it feels good. It's not really fast, but it's consistent.
It's faster with the grippier tires.
Yeah, probably.
I'm saving those for later. I told Alberto, I was like, it doesn't normally feel like this in second. I knew my transmission was gonna break. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Oh, this sucks.
Try a second.
Second's no good.
There. Oh shit. You hear that noise I was telling you about?
I knew it was broken. Okay to drive home in third?
You can, just be very careful.
Okay. Oh my god, I can't believe I was right. I outsmarted the Big Boost. Good thing we're pulling it.
It's not my car. Wait, you have another tranny, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Dude, it's that unsprung clutch, dude.
Michael's car sounds like a lot of ticking over here. So loud, Marco. Jeez, I'm right next to you.
It's so loud. Get used to it for 30 minutes.
What's up,
Man.
V8 loudness over here? The Marco's putting gas in the car, then he brings out these. What is that? Are those like worn out with a sticker on it?
No, they're brand new. These are like, what is it, circuit racing?
Wait, let me see. So you're telling me you're gonna try to drift the car
with 275
with stock axles, you gotta run slicks.
It's probably a treadwear.
stock axle, 275 slicks.
What's like, it's a 60 treadwear probably.
C91. What's the treadwear?
Probably
40 treadwear.
That's gonna last one lap. If your car,
if it doesn't break my car.
On the oval, it wouldn't. I'm not even sure to get around the lap on the oval.
Yeah, no,
skid
skip
pad
that.
probably will, but I don't know if you'll ever be able to break them free.
But here's the tricky part.
80 pounds.
Here's the tricky part. They're already at 60 pounds. Here's the tricky part.
60 pounds?
Yeah, here's
What?
the tricky part. Hold on, you're not letting me get there. They're 10 years old.
You're 10 years old.
Will they even warm up? Will they even heat up? We're gonna find out.
Alright guys, so these tires are super old, so either they blow up on the first lap, or they break Marco's axles, or they chunk apart, or it just runs a lot of smoke. Oh, I think these are like made out of like black wood. They feel like black wood.
Well, they're 60 pounds.
Before we leave for the night, one of our friends got stranded, so I think the distributor died, so me and Mark are helping him put it back on time with a new distributor, and hopefully he can go home tonight. Then after that, we finally get to go get something to eat, which we're probably gonna go stop at Cheddar's and enjoy some delicious honey butter biscuits, or croissant, I think that's what it's called, and then some delicious food. So if I don't end the video now, I'm gonna end this video now just in case I don't end it after eating. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.